Hey guys, welcome back. Here at Diamonds and Donuts again, and I want you guys to check something out. Check out this Miami Blue Huracan Performante Spyder. Oh my god. It's really similar to Blue Glauso. So the guy that owned the Blue Glauso Performante sold it, bought a white Performante, and then wrapped it up. Look at this thing. I think it looks better than Blue Glauso. I don't know. He's already got custom ADV ones on it, center lock and everything. Wow, with the top off, you can really see the interior so much better. All the forged carbon. Actually, no, it's a little washed out. Let me turn down the brightness. Wow. There you go. That just looks really nice. So it looks like he left the lower portion of the front bumper in black with the forged carbon just above the ala splitter. Left the side mirrors in black and this lower portion, as well as the sticker. What else? A lot of cool stuff. I imagine maybe he'll go for a custom aftermarket exhaust, but the factory exhaust is still pretty loud, so he might not have to. Real nice. And then over here, check out this green Audi R8 V10. Looks like it's a 2017 model. Don't see any other customizations beyond the wrap. Is it a wrap? Yeah, it's a wrap. Really well done wrap. I wonder who did it. A couple of Corvettes. Oh, what the hell? Who's coming out? You got a Porsche. It looks like a GT3. Real nice, and a GTI. A couple of Corvettes, GT350. Let's see, there's Hunter's Audi R8. I'm not sure what this is. GTR. Here comes the Porsche. It's kind of like a black cherry kind of color. It's like this dark, not even sure what color this is. Oh, it's wrapped. Okay. I think that company Hydra might be doing the wraps. It's the real thing. I think this is a Humvee. So you got the self-inflating tire system. So I believe that there's actually like an air pump built into the hub, and if you get a flat, you can turn it on and you can pump up the tires. I think you can also use it to drop the tire pressure for crawling and running on sand and stuff, so you have more surface area. Got the Panasonic Toughbook. I think that's the bulletproof laptop that the Marines use. Look at how massive this is. Like, if you were sitting in this seat and you extended your arm, you would not be able to touch the other passenger. This is nuts. And I think that the reason for that is because this center section, that's where the transmission and the fuel system and all that stuff is contained to keep it away from the sides of the body. What else we got? AMG GTS, GTC, Green Hell Magno GTR. Let's see, this is a GTS with carbon fiber front splitter. Audi R8 V10. Ferrari 488. Aventador. All kinds of cool stuff. Here's a Miami Blue 911 4S. There we go. Yeah. Mostly stock, just got an intake. Subaru BRZ. Oh, it's got pulleys on it, aftermarket pulleys. Here's Mitch with his, he just made some new modifications to his, oh, there he is. Hey Mitch, what's new in the car?
Everything. Intercooler, intake, coolant hoses, radiator, suspension, sway bars, wheels, Recaro seats.
You changed all that recently?
2 weeks.
In 2 weeks? Holy crap. So what are you making, like 400 horsepower?
Nah, still just under 300.
Just under 300?
Don't need a lot of horsepower when it doesn't weigh a lot.
Oh yeah. Like I thought maybe you just changed like the seats, maybe like the wheels or something. You changed everything.
Yep. New tune.
Forged intercooler.
Forged intake hoses, CSF aluminum radiator.
Holy cow! Ah, you can't even see the radiator.
You got that big polish.
Oh yeah, it's right there, but I can't. I was looking for like the logo.
Nah, no logos. I like the logo free.
A little bit. You got the DDM works in. Was it intake box or something, or what is that?
Cold air intake box. Best one on the market.
Oh, interesting. And what are these, like power steering and?
This is a power steering reservoir, and this is a coolant overflow tank.
Wow, that looks really nice.
Thanks, man.
I think the stock one is just plastic, right?
They're both plastic.
Yeah, that looks more performance-y.
For sure.
What else is going on?
Shuttlecock exactly where it should be.
There you go. I like what you did with the stickers.
What, the mini stickers in the center?
No, the
Hankook?
the Hankook stickers.
Because I did the mini stickers in the center of the wheel also.
Okay.
They came as Rota stickers.
Okay. Let's see the interior.
Go for it.
I guess everybody's getting an Amber Alert at the same time.
So new Recaro seats, custom steering wheel made from an original mini wheel in black Alcantara, black Napa leather, blue stitching, blue 12 o'clock hash mark. And
Wow.
Mamesi wrapped the silver trim on the steering wheel in matte black.
Holy crap! So you got the. I noticed that there.
12
The
o'clock hash mark.
12 o'clock hash mark. You have the blue stitching Alcantara steering wheel.
And 9mm thicker foam all
I think you did the interior, the headliner too, right?
The headliner's going to be new this week.
Okay, that's
Black
coming up
Alcantara
soon.
headliner's going in the car.
Oh, black Alcantara. Okay. I see this here. Is that factory or is
That's
that
factory.
aftermarket?
That's-
Okay.
When you get the Checkmate edition, that's a factory thing.
Oh, nice. Wow. The carbon fiber. Yeah, the JCW.
JCW shift knob,
Okay.
Craven speed shift well cover.
Now these are like $3,000 seats, right?
Yes, they are each.
Does the door open more? or-
Yeah, go ahead.
There we go. Okay. Wow. So these are heated, and you said these are heated and
Heated and
cooled.
ventilated.
Heated and ventilated.
Yep.
So normally when you have ventilated seats, they have like the perforation in the leather. So how does this? Where does the air come from?
There's cuts in the seams.
Really?
Yep.
Can't even.
And the buttons on the side.
I can't even see them.
I know, it's hard to see it. It's a buffalo leather, so it's a little bit more porous than you think,
Okay.
and it really does work.
Yeah, it
It's a huge
feels really high quality.
difference. Yeah. Recaro's the best seats on the market.
Oh, yeah.
Simple.
There's a reason why Porsche uses them.
Yep.
All right, so Performante just rolled in. Oh, my buddy Jason in his Aventador. Yeah. Rev it up. Oh, Robbie's here in the Solus. So, I'm not sure if you see the other vlogs. The name of this color is Solus. There you go. What's up, Floyd? Nice. Got a little rib battle going on with the Huracan Performante. Rev it up more, rev it up more. All we need now is a couple of hypercars. Oh, check out this Cayman. Oh, I think this is a 718. There we go, red with these funky lime green wheels. Alright, so it's really hot outside. So I'm gonna head inside where they've got donuts and cool stuff. Let's see. Got some nice donuts. They got bagels. Hey, man. What do we got? There you go. Got some nice watches and rings. Look at that.
Can I talk to Madison? Ed Madison.
Alright, so it's cooled off a little, but now it looks like it might rain. So, whatever. I see a Ford GT, the new Ford GT's showing up. Let's see, hey, let's see who else is out here. Oh, sorry. We got a very nice orange stripe 570S. Hey, there she is. Who else is out here? Oh, you know what? Let's check out some of these Dodges. When I was rolling in, there was like, I think from the club Tri-County Mopars, there was like easily 10, 20 Dodges just rolling in. So let's flip the camera around and check that out. I mean, Jesus, look at this. Lifted truck. I'm not a fan of the wheels poking out style, but you know, whatever. Got a Challenger, SRT Charger. I like this one. I like the wing, the spoiler. Very nice, very nice. There's got to be a Hellcat in here somewhere. Got a Dodge, bunch of Challengers. Let's see. SRT. Very nice. No Hellcats yet. All right. V6 Charger. Everybody gets love, I guess. No Hellcats. Okay. Oh, there's a Super Bee over there. Oh, let's go see Daryl in his Supra. So I think he's making like 600 horsepower. Supposedly he turned it up. Might be making 700 now. He's actually a painter, and he painted this car. It's like a $10,000 paint job. What's up, Daryl? What's going on? What's going on here?
Nothing is dirty.
Dirty?
Nothing is dirty.
Nothing's dirty?
Yeah.
Very nice, very nice.
I'm unhappy with it right now, the whole car as a whole.
What'd you do?
Nothing, I just tried to wrap my hood myself.
How did you?
In the dark.
In the dark with no heat gun.
Why do you do these things?
I don't know.
Now it's stuck.
That's okay.
Well, now you can't open the hood. What are you gonna do?
People are gonna be like, damn, the car must be really slow with this shitty hood.
Yeah.
Pull up next
So-
to the flare.
So this is just the carbon fiber wrap, right?
Yeah.
This actually looks a lot better than the old carbon fiber.
Yeah,
Remember
this
the
is
old
like the
carbon fiber
70, but no good brands make it, so you just have to buy cheap shit.
wrap? Oh, okay.
Because no good companies make it.
Okay, that sucks.
Can you not post this? But you're gonna post it, okay. It's
You
fine.
want me to post it? Do you want me to not post it? I'll tell you what. I'll blur out all of the.
Just be like,
Blur out the.
I'll blur out the hood so people can't see it. It's okay. You know what? If you just take it off, then pull it off, and then use the heat gun to stretch it out, you should be fine.
Oh, the deck is cool.
but like, see, I'm just so unhappy. There's like little specks, there's rust back there.
What's going?
I'll
What's going on here?
I'm gonna repaint it before we go.
What's going on here?
It's an old car, 1989.
Hey, it happens.
It's an old car, 1989.
Hey, it looks pretty good for 1989.
It's older than me.
Yeah, I was gonna say, isn't it older?
Really? Yeah. What are you like 16?
I drive it a lot. I mean, I beat the fuck out of the car, so it's gonna get damaged.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Daryl, you're like 16, right?
Huh?
You're like 16, right?
What? I'll be 25 in December.
All right, GTC. Okay, here comes the Mustang. This could be a little dangerous. He's leaving cars and coffee. And it's raining. I should probably step back. It's not his of it. Yes, bring it up. GTR. Send it. Having all-wheel drive must be nice. Kind of sucks is that it's it's kind of raining now. But good news is the barbecue's going. This is pulled pork. You got chicken. Damn, this looks good. Oh, check this out. Ford Galaxy 500. It's been a while since I've seen one of these. I Actually, I think last time I saw one, it was a convertible. Wow. Super long, huge trunk, huge front hood. Just enormous. Very nice. So check out this E30 wagon. Now they didn't sell the E30 wagon in the US, so this is actually an imported European car. So this is a 320i. Look at this. So the story is the original owner purchased it, was stationed in Italy, I think, and then purchased the car while in Italy. He was in the army, and then imported the car when he moved back to the States and moved around the country. Finally moved to Indiana, and the current owner purchased it sight unseen on eBay and brought it to Florida. Wow. Let's get a Momo steering wheel. Hey, is it alright if I open the door? Awesome. There you go. Wow. Door card is perfect. Everything on this car is just pristine. Got these cloth seats with leather side bolsters. Momo steering wheel. There you go. Yeah, you see here, everything's in kilometers per hour, so he's got the conversion chart right there. Kind of necessary. Wow. Of course, you got the warning lights up there too. Sunroof. I see he's got the shift boot, has the M color stitching on it. It's kind of cool. M shifter, M shift knob. Analog clock. Yeah, very tasteful, very beautiful, clean E30. It's a 4-door too. Oops. There you go. Got a couple of things back there. No biggie. Yeah, doors open and close perfectly. I kind of want to buy this thing. 15 grand? Why not? Give it an S52 swap. Turbo S52. All right. As you can see, most of the cars have cleared out. So I'm gonna hop in the 240, get home. So hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Leave a comment if you got a comment, and catch you later. So I'm gonna hop in the 240, and I'm gonna take a nap.